If you're frustrated with the plastic box door shutters that normally houses have, then stay tuned because I'm going to walk you through how I built these cedar shutters. So the plastic shutters that I took off the house were about 14 inches wide. So I decided that I was going to rip all of these down to 4 3/4. That was going to give me 14 1/4 of total width on my shutters. Each shutter's going to get 3 of these. Each set's going to get 6. So you can do the math on that, and each set, you're going to need at least 6 of these. In order to make this manageable, I decided to do each side of the house. That left me by building 2 to maybe 3 sets of shutters. The next thing I did was rip down some of these pickets to 3 inches. That was going to be my front face, and you'll see in a second. Each shutter is going to need 2 of these 3-inch rips, as well as 3 of 8 3/16 pieces. That's going to be the cross member. Once everything was ripped down to size, I was able to cut them to the dimensions of my shutters. With most of the shutters being pretty standard on windows, and a couple of them, they were custom, I was able to get all of my windows cut out, every piece batched out, and ready for me to assemble so that I didn't have to keep coming back to the saw while I was assembling. As you can see here, what I'm doing is using my cutoffs from the 3-inch rips to get all of my face frames that are going to go horizontal. Then, because I used the cutoffs, I only had to use 1 extra board to get a few more pieces. Now comes the fun part. We're going to assemble, but first, let's talk about every piece. So each shutter needs 3 of your 4.75-inch rips, and they need 2 of your 3-inch rips that are the length of the shutter. Then they're going to need 3 of these 8 3/16. While I'm assembling it, I'm going to put glue underneath every single one of these. I'm using the external glue from Boss Dog Glue. As you can see here, I'm using 1-inch brad nails. However, you could screw if you wanted to from the backside with 1-inch screws. I have had that suggested on some of my other posts for this, so I will acknowledge that is something that you could definitely do. The cedar makes these shutters very light. Just like plastic shutters, you don't want them too heavy. You want to be able to hang them, and you don't want them falling off. Before hanging them, I use the clear Cabot wood stain. They look great, and they'll hold up.